Sunday 7/12 open house 12-2 o'clock. Welcome to low maintenance living in the desirable Walden Woods community. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom condo combines modern comfort with thoughtful custom finishes, offering an inviting place to call home. Over 2,200 square feet. This condo offers main floor living with beautiful kitchen that has center island and step-in pantry. Primary ensuite with walk-in closet. Gas fireplace at living room with large windows allowing lots of natural light. Finished lower level walkout, custom built-ins with adjustable shelving. Luxury flooring throughout most of the home. Walden Woods amenities include private clubhouse with full kitchen and a caterer's kitchen, fitness center, classroom, covered outdoor patio, swimming pool, and recreational paths.